Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Lexus RX 350 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So with this one, you are going to need to have the hood just a little bit lifted. In order to install a tint on the headlight, you don't need to open it all the way, just a small gap should be fine. And all you need to do to prep it is just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing all the contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start with the installation, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film, and make sure all you need to do is align it to the headlight. So the first step is aligning the film to this section of the edge of the headlight. So apply tack solution underneath the film. That way the adhesive is able to activate as we're tacking down the film. So align it right there and make sure the whole film stays aligned. Apply tack solution on top. Grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. Make sure this is secured. Another thing you can do in order to help the adhesive activate faster is applying heat around this area. So just spray tack solution on top of the film. Grab your heat gun and apply heat around this edge. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. Apply tack solution one more time. Hold it in position and tack it down. Okay, once you secured this section, we can move on with the rest of the installation, so stretching the film until you reach it to the top edge. So now that we secured that section, all we need to do is lift the film and stretch it up to the edge and make sure it stays aligned to this section and to the top section here. So stretch it. All the fingers that we had here should become smaller, and all we need to do now is secure it. So lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position and tack it down to secure it. So once you finish securing this middle section, now we can focus on removing the fingers and also tacking down the film on this section and on this section of the film. So apply tack solution, apply heat to shrink the fingers, and then we're going to use our squeegee and our microfiber towel to start tacking down those fingers. So once you finish applying heat, apply tack solution one more time. And what you're going to do is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and use this to tack down the film. So just take your time as you're doing this and just repeat this process until you remove all the fingers. Once you finish securing this whole lower section, the last thing to do is finish off the top edge. So all you need to do is lift the film carefully and apply a little bit of tack solution underneath the film and a little bit on top. And we're going to apply heat to start sealing the top edge, and use your microfiber towel to seal it and also help remove any solution that's on the top edge. And then once we're done with this step, we can move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire headlight. So once you finish with the whole installation, the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire headlight. So all you need to do is apply tack solution all over the film, and we're going to use our heat gun to start helping the adhesive all over the film activate faster, and our microfiber towel just to help remove any solution that's still trapped underneath the film, and also just helping the film tack down as we apply heat. So take your time when you're doing this step, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Lexus RX 350. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing your upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.